Hello! In today's video we are going to review Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X. Under the hood, smartphone has Snapdragon 625 combined with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of memory storage that can be extended with SD card up to 128GB. It runs on MIUI 8, which utilizes an Android 6.0 core. The design of the phone looks clean and minimalistic. Redmi Note 4X has a metal housing. Back cover comes with chamfered edges for better ergonomics, plus the device is light, 8.45mm thin and feels very comfortable to hold in your hands. On the left side located SIM tray that fits either 1 micro plus 1 nano SIM or a SIM card along with the SD card. The power and volume buttons are placed on the right and can easily be accessed with the fingers. The 3.5mm audio jack, infrared emitter and microphone are on the top. The bottom houses speakers, micro USB port and another microphone. Redmi Note 4X equipped with a 13MP rear camera with 2.0 aperture that can take equally nice photos in well light and low light. Micro shots are good as well, and PDAF helping camera quickly focus on the objects. Camera app allowing apply real-time filters and select modes including HDR, panorama, manual and beautify. The front is dominated by a 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display with 401 ppi density, which offer razor-sharp text and images. The display is very colorful, has very nice viewing angles and working perfectly in direct sunlight. Thanks to powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and 3GB of RAM, the phone will run any existing game with minimum 30 frames per second. It managing an impressive score 61,816 in Antutu and around 47 FPS in Epic Citadel. Another feature of the Redmi Note 4X is 4100 mAh lithium-ion battery that will work for about 2 days in a normal use and around 4.5–5 hours in non-stopping gaming mode with 50% brightness and 4G and Wi-Fi modules turned on. Click this icon over here or follow the link in the description to purchase Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, thank you for watching and farewell.